Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this UMAY Fit 3-in-1 set that this brand sent to me for the video review. I've been trying it for some time. I think it's fantastic. This is a 3-in-1 set. How is that? So this is a dumbbell, and once you assemble with this right here, it's gonna be a barbell bar as well. And once you assemble with this one right here, this handle, this really nice grip handle actually, it will be a kettlebell. So that's actually a really good and versatile set. For sure, if you have two of this, it's gonna be more beneficial, I have to say, because you're gonna have two of this entire set. So you have two dumbbells, you have one barbell or two barbells, and you have two kettlebells. But you can actually work with one for sure. So let me actually show to you this one on a close-up. But the bottom line is I think it's a really good product, not only because it's super easy to use and it's also super versatile, but also because it has a really nice grip. I have to say the grip is one of the most important things, and it has a really nice grip, so you can actually work your entire set of muscles with those three devices, and for sure the whole 3-in-1 set. So as you can see right here is the dumbbell, and this thing goes up to 52.5 pounds. This thing is super heavy, really easy to operate. So you can see right here, it has the whole set and it has the actual stand, the base right here, which is super convenient to have. So this is the most, for sure, the lighter one. So it goes back in, you do one click, you add some weight, that's a 14. You do one more click, more weight, that's 19, and you get the idea. You keep clicking and adding the plates. So it's getting quite heavy, I have to say, for sure, until you reach the heaviest one right here, 52.5. This thing is super heavy, so if you're into heavy lifting, this thing is a must. As I was saying before, the grip is quite nice. It's super important to have a really nice grip for sure, always. And I really like the fact that it's super versatile. You can just kind of clicking and skipping and switching the weight super easily. And then you put it back right here on base and it's ready to go for the next round. So the brand actually has a really nice video on the assembly process. I'm gonna skip that. It's super easy to assemble, but I'm gonna show you the other two products for you right now. So once you have the kettle grip right here, it's gonna be super easy. Same thing, you just click right here and you keep having the kettlebell right here holding all the weight, and you can just keep changing the weight just like the other one. Oh, it's right here. So you do this way. Let's put some heavy weight right here. And the best thing about this one, as I was saying before, you have plenty of exercise just to do with a kettlebell or the barbell or the dumbbells. And you can keep adding the weight with just one click, which I think it's super cool and really convenient to have as a home gym. And on the barbell side, once that is done with the base, extended base, and right here with the grip, which by the way, this grip is really good and the whole thing is super firm. So once you're done, it works the same way, just like that. So that's the whole thing. I think that's probably, this is my favorite one for sure. So one more time, just having the versatility of actually working with something like this, super easy to use and for sure to maneuver and to kind of keep changing in your home gym. It's gonna take you no more than 5 minutes to switch in between the barbell, the actual kettlebell, and the dumbbell. This right here is an amazing set to have. 3-in-1, up to 52.5 pounds, and for sure, super easy to use and to keep changing the weights on the go in your home gym. I really like it. I do enjoy it. It's a good quality product that you may benefit to have it in your home gym. I'm running out of breath. This thing is really good. Thanks for watching. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. See you soon.